Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 50th episode of Mindful Moments. And I can't believe how many I've done already. It's just surreal because for me, it's been something that was a challenge to start at the beginning. So to see myself doing this daily and creating 50 episodes back to back, wow. I think that's something that I have to celebrate in terms of my progress and seeing how I have also improved from day one from how I share and articulate myself, although still not the best, still a lot of room for improvement, but I'm happy with how I've progressed so far. And I do still feel like carrying this on, but I also have this urge and influx of ideas that I want to embark on around the realm of like health and wellness. So, not just talking about my reflections and mindsets and productivity, but also more to do with what I'm currently adopting in my day to day lifestyle. So, that can be things related to fitness and what I do in terms of recovery and how I just like overall live towards a mindful approach and having that balanced approach of how I adopt these certain practices and what I do to kind of optimize my trainings, for example, and approaches to stay on that level mindset and to continue to be happy with what I'm doing, because there are also different kind of mindsets that you can adopt for the wrong reasons or the right reasons. And at the end of the day, I want to share this and all these different kind of topics so that I can also provide a chance for you to have insights to see how you can kind of tweak or reflect on how you are currently adopting certain practices that you are considering so that it can be sustainable for you. So what's going to happen with mindful moments, I'm going to do it more on a basis where whenever I feel like there's important something to share and where there is more value that I can offer, I will do more of these episodes. It's not going to be completely scrapped. It's more of just, I feel that the more and more I do of it, it's great. However, I also, because I want to fit in all these different topics other topics that I want to share about, there is just not enough time for me in a day for me to embark on all these multiple things and to continue doing it at a sustainable rate. Because if I want to walk the talk for myself and just find something that is sustainable for me, then I really have to prioritize how I plan my day as well and block out certain things that are allowing me to maintain a healthy lifestyle as well without burning myself too much. And if you feel like there's any other topics that you feel that you would like me to share in the future, feel free to leave them in the comments, because I'm always happy to receive any kind of feedback that I can work on and also incorporate anything that you may be interested in. Because at the end of the day, I wanted to do all these types of content to help you on your journey, be it with tips or to help you prompt some insights or reflections for yourself to think about your current kind of practices that you currently adopt or consider taking up. And I figured, why not really acknowledge this influx of energy of new ideas that I'm receiving right now and really use this as fuel to continue on the work that I'm doing to help others and not limit myself to just doing one thing. And although I said, I wanted to see how long I can do this, but I also want to remain flexible, because as long as for me, what is important is to be able to find what is able to keep me motivated and be able to sustain what I do and to keep showing up for all these things that I'm doing. For me, how I define how I keep showing up is to basically show up on a daily basis as much as I can to share all this different information that has helping me so far to help you as well. So lastly, for those of you who have been following me on this journey so far, I appreciate all your support that you've given me, and I hope to continue to have you on board with the new kind of topics that I'll be sharing all around health and wellness. And for those of you who are just about tuning in, I hope to continue seeing you in the next subsequent videos. Do feel free to leave any comments, and if you enjoyed the content so far, feel free to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.